Hi, this is Matthew with the Commemorative Air Force Lake Superior Squadron, and we'd like to give you some updates on what we've been doing on our PBY and our goals this year for the 12 Planes of Christmas. This year's goals: repaint the interior of our aircraft by media blasting and then repainting it with brand new paint.
Up here, this has been cleaned off much better than it currently is. Like you can see, there's a little bit touch up to go on here, but this is bare. Blasted all the loose material off this side. Quite a few of these skins in this area are going to be coming off and getting replaced. But basically, it's getting all the loose stuff off, so when we paint it again, it looks pristine and original.
Hi folks, I'm Bill. I'm the unit leader here at the Lake Superior Squadron, Commemorative Air Force. Today we're going to talk about a conversion coating which protects the aluminum that we get. When you get new metal, new aluminum, it does have a pure coating, 99% coating on the surface layer to protect it. But what we're going to do is use some Bond-Right Allodyne, and we'll put a conversion coating on there for corrosion resistance. And you can see how we've taken off some of the old cladding, but we're going to go ahead and put some of this on. And what we'll do is we'll put a little bit on here. And what it does is it attaches itself to the aluminum. What will happen is it will acid etch, and it actually burns into the metal to put a coating on there, a conversion coating, and making it corrosion resistant. And you still need a zinc phosphate primer before you actually paint. It used to be called zinc chromate primer. Zinc chromate is non-environmental friendly and non-health friendly, so they've switched over to a zinc phosphate, and it's a little bit better stuff to do for the environment as well as health. You can kind of see it's working. You can see a color green. It's starting to eat into it, and we'll let it sit there for a few more minutes here, let it do its job, and we'll go from there. All right, so we've let this set for a minute or two. You can't let it sit too long because it is an acid etch. You can actually hurt the metal and take away from the durability of it. So we're just gonna wipe this off here a minute. You can see the difference. It's a light gold color, copper looking. And when we're done with that, then we're ready to paint. And so we would put zinc phosphate primer either out of a can, or you can use a paint gun, or depending on the size of the project. So now this is ready for a final paint coating when we get to that process. So this piece of aluminum lasts another 80 years.
Hey, if you like that video and you want to support our restoration efforts here, feel free to follow the links in the description to see how you can help.